Man, I wonder if I can find a job somewhere. I'm gonna go loom around to see if there are any jobs I need to do. Hey Firen's dad, do you have a job for me?
My son, I indeed have a job for you. Your job is to play Mario Kart Wii with me.
No, I'm goody Marco.
My son, get down here and play Mario Kart Wii with me to get free KFC.
Man, I don't know where to find a job. I have to be homeless if I don't. I don't wanna be homeless.
Hello there, Parrot. I was wondering, would you like a job at Starbucks?
Okay, sure, I will work at Starbucks.
Okay, Parrot, you got the job. What I need you to do is to serve the customers their orders when they come. Can you do that?
Don't worry, Bold Martin. I will do this.
My son, here is the coffee shop.
Dad, we were meant to fucking go to KFC, you fat bastard. Why did you bring me to Starbucks?
My son, you ate KFC too much this week. I'm taking you to Starbucks whether you like it or not. I need a coffee to play some Mario Kart Wii with it.
Here are your coffees. Anything for the small autistic midget.
My son, getting some baby milk.
Hey Dad, give me that coffee, wanna see a magic trick? Ha 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 ha, can't get me.
My son, get back here. I'm gonna smack your ass.
Well, it's a first day, and you knocked over a coffee. Estimate.
It wasn't me, it was Firen.
Yeah, I don't want to hear about it. There's more customers coming. I'm telling the boss.
Hello, I am the Indian chicken. May I order, please?
Sure, what do you want?
Oh, bloody hell, can you please get me a coffee with a lot of cream in it? I love cream. I was at Tim Cummins' house yesterday. He makes really good cream.
Here ya go, enjoy.
Oh my god, a wild chicken. I love chicken.
Oh, bloody hell, I gotta fly back to India.
Get back here. Help, I broke through the floor.
Oh no, I'm gonna get killed.
Parrot, how is what happened here?
It wasn't me, it was the customers.
You're fired. Get the fuck out of here.
I don't swear, die, go spit on a child. Oh no, I'm stuck in jail with Jack and a furry.
Man, reading books are boring. Let's play on the computers.
You trash hypocrite can't get me.
My son, get back here.
Was that Firen?